Sadly, too many would-be affiliate marketer millionaires end up playing the online affiliate marketing game in all the wrong ways. They build website after website and make $0. They buy traffic, and after blowing through tons of cash, have very little to show for their investment. They write tons of content all day every day, and very few people visit their sites. Of those that do manage to show up, very few, if any, click on ads. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, listen up. You don't have to fail. Start positioning yourself for success. You can learn to get out of the gate well-positioned to succeed in the often dog-eat-dog hyper-competitive world of affiliate marketing. You don't have to settle for the crumbs left over by the big players of your niche. The solution? It truly is your blueprint to making money selling other people's products. Here is what you will find inside. How to pick a niche that is most likely to earn you money. How to pick a conversion platform that will produce the most money with the least effort. How to create content your niche audience will actually want to read and share. How to select affiliate offers the smart and efficient way. How to build an affiliate marketing business that will stand the test of time and fickle consumer trends. How to troubleshoot and optimize your affiliate marketing business for increased income. Introducing Affiliate Wizard. This is a full database of videos that will help you start to break through some of the barriers to creating an amazing affiliate income. Nothing is left out. Everything is covered in this up-to-date affiliate membership site. Lock this in today.